Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video I am going to teach you how to fix this app won't work for your device error in Play Store. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try to do if you're experiencing this error is to simply clear the Google Play Store's cache and data. So a possible reason you may see the error on your device is that the Google Play Store has a minor glitch in it. So this can cause the store to display various errors. So to get around this issue, you can try clearing Play Store's cache and data files. So this doesn't delete or affect any of your installed apps, so don't worry. So to do this, just launch the settings app on your Android device and simply tap the apps and notifications. So after that, find the Google Play Store app in the list, and if you don't see the app, tap see all apps. After that, just tap into the storage and cache and tap clear storage followed by clear cache on the following screen. So tap onto the Play Store and see if you can now download your app. But if the problem still persists, what you can do next is to uninstall Google Play Store updates. So launch the settings app on your device and simply tap onto the apps and notifications in the settings. So select Google Play Store in the app list and tap the three dots at the top right corner of the Google Play Store's app info screen. So select uninstall updates from the three dots menu. So just simply tap OK in the prompt that appears on your screen and launch Google Play Store and try to download your app again. So that's it for this video. Those are some fixes that you can do if you are experiencing the error. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.